Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the stack and getting core tools in place. Install Node, JS, and NPM, then init your project so dependencies track cleanly. Once done, add a QR library like QR code and scaffold a minimal HTML page with a form for URL or text input. Make sure to include basic validation on the client. This prevents garbage input. You're now ready to wire the form to a simple server route that will generate a QR payload. You'll now implement the core generation logic on the server. Create a post route that parses the incoming payload, then call the QR function with options: size, margin, error correction level. If you want immediate display, return a data URI. If you prefer reusability, save a PNG to your public folder and return its URL. Once done, make sure to sanitize inputs and throttle requests to avoid abuse. Also, add a simple front-end fetch call to show the generated QR instantly. You finish by polishing the UI, adding a download button, and optionally overlaying a logo using Canvas for branding. Then deploy the app to your chosen host and enforce HTTPS so QR links work reliably on mobile. Make sure asset paths and caching headers are correct for fast loads. If something breaks, inspect MIME types, CORS headers, and the library options. Often the issue is wrong content type or a blocked cross-origin request. Adjust timeouts and retry logic if generation is slow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.